When you start using expert mode in TransStock, you'll see 16 different studies or tabs. Some are ideal for trend investors, other for swing and day traders, while others give an overview of a market or sector. But you can easily create your own studies. For example, a candle chart with two moving averages and the RSI indicator. Let me show you how in just a few steps. 1. Start by opening the Trend tab in the workspace. 2. Go to the menu, click View and click Indicators Explorer. 3. First, click on the price plot in the graph to add two averages directly to it. 4. Go to the group Moving Averages and select Exponential MA. 5. Click the Properties button to adjust the settings. A 50 days, color, blue. OK. 6. Select Exponential MA again for the second one and change its settings. A 200 days, color, orange. OK. 7. Then go to the group Indicators, use Indicator Finder, type RSI, click Enter, close the Finder and select Relative Strength Index. 8. To add horizontal lines, click the Properties button, select Horizontal Lines, click Add, then enter the value, choose the color black dotted line and click Add again. OK. And finally, step 9. Adjust the height of the inner window by holding the left mouse button and dragging to your desired position. Satisfied with the setup? Right-click the study name and select Save As. Choose a bookmark and give it a name. Save As. And you're all set. You can either use the default studies or create your own to track your favorite stocks. Good luck!